This is the video. You obviously have our TyreWatcher system here. We're just shooting this out to some of our customers to test this app for us. So there is a few things that we still need to improve on this app, and we will have. We are working on version 2 already, but we just want to get a rough version in people's hands so they can test the functionality and give us some ideas of what they want and different things like that. So to get the app, just go into the Play Store on your Android phone, put in TyreWatcher TPMS, go search. We've changed the name of this one, sorry. You can just search TyreWatcher. It's the one that comes up there with the big TW icon. Click on that, click on install. It's fairly small, install quite quickly. Click on open, just allow. That's all good. So majority of people are going to have the car and caravan one, so up to 12 sensors. Click on that. So that's what it looks like. So we have no sensors paired. So you're probably going to have the sensors already on your car and probably already on your van, or if you don't, you can screw them on. We'll go through here. But you just click on monitor here and click on the auto pairing, and then you just need to click on the tyre you want to do. So we'll do the front left tyre first. So it's obviously picking one up already here because it's movement of something's happened. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this tyre here, and you'll see that X1 just came up there, so I can actually screw that back on, and I can see it is that one there because I saw the pressure change as well. So click on save. So that's put that on the front left tyre. For this example, I'll just do the front right tyre as well. So click on the front right tyre. See, it's all blank at the moment, but what I'll do is I will unscrew this one, screw it back on. It's gone from 0 pressure because obviously I just unscrewed it and it's gone back to 32. Clearly it's that one. Click save, then click save, and you can see we have our two front tyre pressures shown here. So if I screw one off, we get our alarm there. Screw it back on, pressure comes off, comes back. You can turn the alarm sound on and off here, off and on, and the volume. Monitor will take you back to here. This is a brand new sensor, just grabbed out of the box because we didn't have one on the Caravan. This is just a different way. If it was already on the Caravan, you'd obviously click on here and screw and unscrew it. But I'm just going to screw this onto the valve. And you can see that's a new one that's just popped up there, 74B. So to confirm that, we can just unscrew this. And you can see it dropped to 38 and probably drop to 0 very shortly. Yeah, so we know it's that one there. Screw it back on. That's that. Save. And then save at the top. There's all your sensors there. So you'd obviously have a few more. I've just done 3 for an example. To disconnect the Caravan ones, you just push the X here, and this will come grayed out, so it isn't going to pick up any warnings from the Caravan one when you have your Caravan disconnected. That's basically it. So if you test that out and you give us some feedback, that'd be great. The settings here, you can choose the temp and pressure thing, front, high and lows, and standby high and lows. So we'll explain these in a diagram, what's what. But basically your front ones are your front, your middle ones are your middle, your standby, and your rear ones are the rear. And then so you can obviously adjust these alarms and then push save, and that'll set your high and low pressure alarms. So yeah, we just want to get it out in people's hands to test functionality and stuff. We are working on a version 2 already, so that'll be better. But we want to get some customer feedback so we can put all those things that everyone likes wants into it.